Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. What took you so long? Okay, so today's look is absolutely out of the blue. It's nothing that I planned, but the colors in this are amazing to me. It's a gold and it's red, and I call it sunset. It makes me think about fire. Maybe I call it the fiery sunset. So I'm getting my brows together, combing them in the direction that I want them. And of course, you know I'm going in with that off black shade from my eyeshadow palette. I love it on my brows. A lot of people don't like a black brow, but honey, if I'm not using my brown eyebrow pencil from the dollar store, I'm using my black shadow, and it goes on just perfectly. And it gives me the desired look that I want. So I'm doing that over each eye. And it's not much product because a little bit of product goes a long way. I can't stress that enough to you all. And I am going to be cleaning the bottom of my brows up with LA Pro Girl Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm just going to clean up my brows. I haven't gotten them done in so long. I haven't even trimmed them or tried to shape them or pluck them. So concealer is what's going to be doing the magic today, honey. So I'm taking my time with this to get the exact shape that I want, the desired look. Nobody's brows grow the same. None of them look the same. So honey, whatever works for you, you make sure it works for you. Everybody doesn't like a thin brow. Everybody doesn't need a thick brow. You know, it's just a preference. This is just what I like. And I'm going to set that concealer with this LA Colors palette that I got at my local beauty supply store. And these shades, there aren't any names to them. I just took the lightest powder that was in there, and it works wonders. It helps that highlighted look stay in place that I'm going for. And the top of my brows, I am using a concealer that I usually wear as a foundation. It's in the shade Espresso. I love it. I was using Chestnut. Chestnut is a little light for me, so I use Espresso. I love it. Love it, love it. And I am using, what is this? I think this is, yeah, Ruby Kisses All Over Glow. It's a bronzing powder, but I use it as a highlight. This is light glow that I'm going under my eyebrows with. Next, you're going to see me set my eyes with that Warm Honey again. And this is before I do any eyeshadow placement. I don't use a primer, not because it's not good or anything. It's just not something I've ever bought. Concealer works just fine for me. And I'm setting my eyes with that same powder that you saw me set my eyebrows with. And I'm going into my Amazon 120 color palette, and I'm using the darkest brown shade that's in there just to give me a nice transition color and to bring a little color back into my lids. That is the darkest shade. Is it a shade or a hue? But that's as dark as I'm gonna go today, other than the colors that I'm using on my lid. And once again, I'm using that Warm Honey to cut my crease and begin shaping my eye for that halo that I want. Come on with this tongue twisting. What's going on? And I'm just patting it, trying to help it to dry a little bit. And I'm doing the same thing under my other eye. I would always say that these makeup looks are about what works for you and what works for your face. I've learned that my cut crease, I don't have to make it so high just because of my eye shape. I have hooded eyes, and trying to go up any further is just pretty difficult for me. So I keep it about right there, and it works just fine for me. And you see me going in with that burgundy kind of shimmer look, and I'm just taking it on the outer crease of my eye and the inner crease, and I'm building that product up. And I'm doing the same thing on the other lid. Now I'm gonna go in with that gold color, and y'all, it looks so beautiful together. You see that? It is gorgeous. I love it so much. I can definitely see why I would call that a fire sunset. No, fire sunrise. What did I say? A fire sunset or a sunrise? Something. It's cute though, honey. And I took that palette that I stole from my sister over Thanksgiving or Christmas, and I just went in with like a shimmer, like a light cream type of shimmer, just to give that gold some more pop. And the foundation that I'm featuring today is Black Opal True Color in the shade Beautiful Bronze. It is a cream foundation. I love it, and a little bit goes a long way, like I keep saying, y'all. So for my highlight, I am using Warm Honey and Espresso. I'm mixing those two together so I won't be too light and I won't get no harsh flashback. Because, baby, it ain't nothing worse than being so beautiful and then going out and someone using flash on the camera and you just look casket ready. Nothing worse than that. So be sure that you choose the right shade. You don't have to be 6 shades lighter. You don't. And I am setting my face with that light powder. Once again, I'm setting the highlighted parts. And that darker shade is what I'm going to set my contour with. And you're going to see me do my contour in just a few seconds. For contour, I'm actually using the foundation Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 3. Oh, where is it? I think it's the shade 375 because I did 380. It's a little too dark. And now I am going to set my eyelashes for my false lashes. I am using a combination pair of lashes today. One pair I got for $2. It's like the $2 brand at Walmart. I can't even tell you the name of it. I don't think it's Ardell. And the other pair is from the beauty supply store. It was $5. I forgot the brand, but those are Stacked lashes and they look so beautiful. They look like a pair of mink lashes. You would never know. So that's it for today's look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this with a friend. I love you, honey, and I'll see y'all soon.